let's go to the travel. Wow, he has a very, very little wheels, guys. It's a cool, yeah. Whoa, guys. He had a very, very little yellow plane. Wow, it's great, guys. Wow, so beautiful. Let's see another car. Wow, guys, it's an oil truck. Or we can say it's a gasoline truck. So cool. Wow, very big. Because he's a very hard-working truck. Yes, guys. He had a number and he had the stairs. So cool. Now, guys, let's together drive it. I will show very popular bus. Wow, do you know the school bus? Double-decker bus. He's a very popular, yes. Na 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 na. Cool. I like it. Do you like it? Wow, hit a number and light, guys. So colorful, and let's try it. How he's strong. Woo! Beep. Now, guys, I will take very serious cars. Yes, it's a tank cars. Wow, very great color. Bing, bing, bing. So cool. Let's see together how the tank's strong. Let's go.